Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on. Today is day one of Colourpop week and I am so beyond excited. First of all, I'm excited because it is 7 videos back to back of Colourpop. If you're watching this in the future, like if it's way past this first day of me uploading it, I will leave them all linked down below so you can go check the rest of them out. But there's some banging content coming this week, and I'm even more excited because this first one is a collab with 3 of my lovely friends, and the first one is Jodie, who I absolutely love to pieces. I will leave her YouTube channel linked down below. We also have some other collabs coming in the week of a mixture of us. So we've got Jodie that I'm collabing with, and we've also got Lizzie, who I'll leave linked down below for you to check out as well. And then we also have makeup with Alex Kate, and we're all doing our own look today using the Hocus Pocus Colourpop palette. I haven't used this yet. I am beyond excited to finally be able to put this on my eyeballs. Let's just get straight into it. Let's do some swatches. Let's put it on my eyes. Let's see whether it's worth the money. It is something that you can't really get your hands on anymore unless you bought it kind of on Depop or eBay. They did one restock, which is how I managed to get my hands on it. So just keep an eye out just in case they do any more in the future. Or they might kind of bring it back for like October time for Halloween, which is when they originally kind of launched it. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. Let's do swatches and put it on my eyeballs. So this is what these swatches look like. We have Full Moon, which is like a nude, but it's got like a shimmer in it. I'm not sure if it's gonna come up on camera. We have Helloooooo, Brew Potion, which is like a glitter. Then we have On Toast, Corvin, Come Little Children, Tis Firm, Thackeray Binks, Yabos. Sorry, Yabos is the green one. I Call It a Bus, Wench, Night of Frolic, Dead Man's Toe, Bewitched, and then Goodbye Cruel World. These feel unbelievable. It's the first time I've swatched it and this palette is unreal. Like the formula, unbelievable. I can't wait. I don't even know what I'm going to do, but I'm so excited to get this on my eyeballs. So as always, we're going in with the P. Louise base in the shade number 2 Rumour and using the PC29 brush from Peaches and Cream just to tap all that into place. To begin with, we're going to be taking a tiny brush. This is the Spectrum A13. And we're going to go in with the Night of Frolic shade, which is like the darkest purple in the palette. And I'm going to start by kind of using this to create where I'm going to put my cut crease. I'm not too worried about it being like really pigmented right now. If anything, it'll be better if it isn't as pigmented as well. So I'm kind of mapping out where I want my cut crease to be. Okay, so now that we've got that kind of line there, don't worry about how it's looking, we have to trust the process. We're going to go in with another one of them A13 brushes, but a clean one. And we're going to go in with the shade Dead Man's Toe, which is the slightly lighter, still dark, but slightly lighter purple in the palette. I love the colour scheme of this palette, can I just say, like it is beautiful. And I'm going to basically tap that over that purple that we've just put down so that it's kind of half on the colour we've put down but also half on the fresh kind of skin. This weirdly looks darker than the other purple for some reason. So now that it's looking a bit more crazy, I'm going to go in with the shade Hello Salem, which is this colour here. I'm going to be using a Peaches and Cream PC38 brush. She is tiny. So I'm literally taking that to blend out the edges of this purple. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the 2 brushes again, kind of pack that pigment back on. I'll cut the crease and then we'll come back and do the lid. So I've just cut my crease with Blank Canvas from P. Louise, and I'm going to go in as a little bit of a contrast. I'm going to go in with the green shimmer just to jazz it up. This is Yabos. And you all know what I love to apply, oh my god, my shimmers with my finger. So this feels buttery smooth, super pigmented, like literally just glides onto the eye. So I'm going to put this all over the lid, and then I'm going to take these 2 purple shades into this inner corner and kind of blend it all together. I'll probably use like a little brush as well to get right up to the top of the crease. So let me finish all of that off and then we'll put something on our inner corner. So now that we're looking a little bit like this, I'm going to go in with the glitter. I'm going to try and risk it in my inner corner. I'm not too sure how it's going to go, but we're going to go in with this glitter here. I'm just going to take in a little Roxy brush and hope that that kind of picks it up nicely. It did swatch really nice, really easy and simple to apply. Okay, very happy with that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and come back and show you the finished looks and then give my final thoughts on the Colourpop Hocus Pocus palette. So this is the finished look. Obsessed with it, not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about the lip colour, but we're just gonna rock it anyway. In regards to this palette, I absolutely love it. Like the formula, the packaging, the shade names, like it didn't let me down at all. It is a true Hocus Pocus palette. Like the names just remind me so much of the film. And I think this was like maybe $22, something like that, which is crazy considering it is like a collab. Or maybe it was a bit more, I'm not entirely sure because it was a long time ago that I bought this when it restocked. But yeah, if you are interested in this palette at all, keep an eye out, sign up to the Colourpop emails just in case they do bring it back because it'll be worth picking it up. Like, look at this. Come on now. I felt there's quite a few different shades that you could use in this palette to create different looks. Like you could do like a green eye, you could do like a warm eye, you can do like a full purple eye, a full kind of burgundy eye, you could do like a neutral eye, you could do like a black glitter. I feel like there's quite a lot that you can do with this palette, which really impresses me because normally they put way too many shimmers in and not enough mattes, and the mattes is what really makes you be able to use the palette more, if that makes sense. But in regards to this look, I absolutely love how it's turned out. In case you're wondering what is on the rest of my face, I do have a Foundation Friday coming this Friday on the Colourpop foundation and the concealer, so I'll save all my thoughts on that for Friday's video. It's going to be one to watch, honestly. For the rest of my face, so for the highlighter I've used the Soft palette and I've used a mixture of 4 to be honest with you. I just kind of dabbed in between these 4. So yeah, I've used that. I've used Havana Blusher by Benefit, MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Dark Tan for my bronzer, the new Relove mascara, the Power Lash Volume 1. For my lashes, I've got on the House of Boo, House of Boo Clara lashes on. Oh my god, I can't spit my words out. I absolutely love these. Thank you so much for sending them to me. This is my first time trying them. A little warning, if you have little itty bitty eyes like me, you're going to have to cut quite a lot off this, but if you have quite big eyes, it means they're actually going to fit you. I used the Velour Lash Glue. For my lips, I actually used an eyeliner as my lip liner, which is what I've got in my lower lash line here. I just thought I haven't put any mascara on. I'll do that afterwards. So I've used the Makeup Obsession Tiffany kind of collab eyeliner, could not spit the words out then. The purple one, I've used my Cinderella lip gloss. It's gone a little bit purple now, but who cares? And I've used the Love Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I always seem to reach for this one. I've used for my brows 2 different brow gels. I started with one, then I was like, actually, I need a bit more than that. So I've used the the Eye-Core one, and then the P. Louise Espresso one. I used the blank canvas, obviously, for cutting the crease. I started with the primer from Galan, the Meteorites one, and to set my under eyes, I used this Pixie palette, and to set the rest of my face, I just used a Revolution Translucent palette. And I think that's everything that I've got on my face. I am so happy with how this look has turned out. In regards to the palette, definitely think it's worth the price tag. If it comes back in stock, definitely grab your hands on it, because I've only ever seen it come back in stock once, and that was when I managed to get my hands on it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go check out Lizzie's, Alex's and Jodie's videos as well. I'll leave them all linked down below, and I will see you tomorrow for another Colourpop video. It's going to be a full lip liner swatch video. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my patrons for being as lovely as always. Love you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for the lip swatch video.